Hi, my name is Candace Bird Davis, and I'm super excited that you're deciding to take the TLC experience with our Diet Duo kit. You're looking to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day, and we definitely have the kit that is perfect for you. One of the things that I love about our Diet Duo kit is it's all natural, it's organic, and it's homeopathic. There's no stimulants in this kit, which means that when you start to lose weight, you are less likely to gain it back because there are the zero stimulants. The first product in this kit is our product called Resolution Drops. These revolutionary drops are like gastric bypass in a bottle. You literally take 10 drops, put it underneath your tongue 3 times a day. You're gonna pair it with our 1,200 calorie a day caloric diet that we're going to give to you. What it's going to do is cut off your appetite, kill your cravings for carbs, sugars, and salty food. And at the end of the day, you're going to end up 2 to 3 pounds lighter when you pair it with our phenomenal product called Life Drops. What the Life Drops are is vitamin B complex. Out of 8 vitamin Bs, we literally have 6 of them in this dropper. So as you're using this product, you're going to get things like thiamine and niacin. You're gonna have power pack biotin. But what you're also going to have is the B6 and B12 complex. Well, Candace, what does that do for me? For one, it's gonna help you combat thyroidism. But B6 and B12 are going to help you turn your fat into fuel so that you're going to have energy. It's gonna speed up your metabolism and allow you to burn fat fast. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the TLC experience with our Diet Duo kit. I'm super excited that you're taking the journey with us on your 2 to 3 pound per day weight loss. Go ahead and place your order today with the person who shared this video with you. We'll see you at the top, but most importantly, we'll see you with the results that you were looking for.
I am so excited for your experience on the Diet Duo kit. You know, this is actually my favorite kit. I lost over 20 pounds in 4 weeks on these 2 products. And so to answer your question that a lot of people ask me all the time is, do I have to work out to get the best results? And to answer your question, it's actually no, you don't. As long as you follow the recommended food approved list, you are going to see a burn of up to 1 to 2 pounds every single day. Another question people ask me is, well, how many calories do I eat? It's 1,200 calories every single day. Don't skip your meals. Eat your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, 2 snacks in between, and do not overeat, and if you want to get that scale going down every single 24 hours, it's very vital that you follow the instructions to the T. And on the next video, we're going to tell you exactly how to take this Diet Duo to see an awesome transformation over the next 3 to 4 weeks.
Hey guys, Keely Taylor here, and I want to welcome you to your TLC experience with the Diet Duo. Guys, this kit is absolutely amazing and it's going to allow you to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day. Now, you probably ordered your kit and it's on its way, or maybe you have it in your hands and you're ready to go, but you don't know how to take it. Guys, you are going to first start off with our Resolution Drops, guys. You're going to simply want to put 10 drops under your tongue for 30 seconds and then swallow. Now, right after you have done that, you want to fill the Life dropper up and you want to squeeze the entire dropper under your tongue. Again, you will hold those as well for 30 seconds and then swallow. Now, it's very important for you to wait 15 minutes before you eat or drink so that the products are getting in your capillaries and absorbing, and you get the best out of the use of our products. Now guys, you are going to want to do the Life Drops before your breakfast and your lunch. You will want to do the Resolution Drops before your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. Guys, I'm super excited for your journey here with the Diet Duo, and I'm excited to see you drop 2 to 3 pounds a day.